इट ऑल्सो। सो सिक्के के दो पहलू होते हैं और दोनों पहलू हमारे सामने हैं। Good evening guys, welcome back to another video, and this time we are reviewing our Suzuki Access 125cc. Earlier we reviewed Royal Enfield Meteor 350 we have, and this is a really great experience and fun to drive. So let's start the POV. So yeah, the experience, you can keep your mobile in this side pocket. We have wireless charger, not wireless, it's wired actually. Wireless charger is available in my car, so it is wired. I'll share a bit about myself. Take one. So I bought this scooty some 2 years ago. अगस्त में से 2 साल हो जाएंगे. Then I took another bike, then another car. So I'm into driving, and I'll suggest कि everyone who is below 30-year-old at least, ऐसा 30 के बाद भी कर सकते हैं, should have one car or should have one bike at least, or any other vehicle which you love to drive. Driving teaches you a lot, and it gives you new experiences. You can travel to places without any hassle when you are driving solo or with people. It gives you a sense of responsibility as well as freedom. You are on two wheels, taking your own decisions and responsible for all the good and bad decisions. Good decisions will give you memorable experiences, and bad decisions will give you memorable learnings. So driving is my hobby. Recently I started recording videos. Just this is also a kind of hobby. I want to record myself, what I think at this point of time in my life, and later I can reflect on that. But आजकल के फास्ट पेस्ड इन्वायरमेंट में ऐसा हो पाना थोड़ा मुश्किल ही है. But still I am recording it just for fun, and maybe I'll be able to share some of my knowledge, whatever I learned, with all of you. Those who are interested to watch can watch it. So yeah, this is the scenario. The residential areas are far from here, so this is quite a village road, and both sides are full of agricultural land. So it's nice view altogether, and a nice machine to ride in the jungle. Anyways, I think residential areas will start soon, so I will take a U-turn from here. You can enjoy the POV drive. So once I was visiting to Pondicherry, maybe last year, and I saw that 70% of scooty used there is basically this one, Suzuki Access 125. Remaining 20% was Honda Activa, and rest were from other brands. Maybe the reason is कि Suzuki का जो plant है वो nearby होगा to that city Pondicherry. But in general I find that this scooty is really fast. You can easily pick up like this. Yeah, so it's really fun to drive experience. whenever you are riding for a long distance other than outside city, you should try to have a proper riding gear. Proper riding gear is really really important, guys. Always prioritize your safety. Riding gears are one time experience, but if you are trying to miss it, it is going to cost you a lot, not just financially only, via your health, physical issues, and lots of things. So please be vigilant about that, and just enjoy the ride. I'm driving around 40. The reason is people are also walking, and there are lots of kids playing also. So I don't want that any mishap that happens. Again back to the off-roading patch, and Scooty is performing good. The suspension is also impressive. You will enjoy the suspension in off-road patches. You can suggest me what other kind of videos you want, and what else I can share with all of you. Maybe you can leave a comment, whatever you feel like, about this drive review of Honda, about the drive review of Suzuki Access 125. So yeah, big bump. So the moment this road got started, you will see the traffic, chaos, people, vehicle, everything. Earlier it was just a barren land, but there is a bad part of it also. So सिक्के के दो पहलू होते हैं, और दोनों पहलू हमारे सामने हैं. So mostly whenever I drive, I prefer to just enjoy the drive, and I speak really less while driving. But since I am doing motovlogging, I'll try to speak up as much as possible. Let's see, it's quite a new experience for me, but yeah, it's a fun way to share your ideas and thoughts